Nick Marshall was a man's man, but he didn't treat women very well. He was an advertiser. He was hoping for a promotion. He wanted it so bad, he was willing to put on girls' clothes and makeup. But he fell in the bathtub and got electrocuted. When he woke up, he could hear what women were thinking. Let me get you a cab, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my little sweet buns.
What?
He uses his powers to get what he wants. First a girlfriend, then he steals Darcy's idea to get her promotion. But he's still not happy. He heard a girl named Erin thinking of suicide. He rushes to help her and gets hit by a lightning. He loses his power. He saves her and realizes that he's in love with Darcy. He tells her boss to give her job back. He says sorry to Darcy. She fires him, but she still loves him. They live happily ever after.